Hello everyone. Yes, daily we do many things. Yes, and whatever work we do, we can number them stepwise. Such type of numbering the actions serially is called seriation. So today we will learn about the new concept seriation. Okay children? So here there are many examples of seriation. What we have to do is we have to observe each picture carefully and think which action is the first one. For example, here is a boy who wants to eat a banana. So, while eating banana, among the given 4 pictures, which will be the first step for eating banana? He has to take the banana from the fruit basket. So, this is the first step. That's why I will give 1 number to this action. Okay. Sequence wise, after taking the banana, what he has to do? He has to peel the skin of the banana. So, in which picture the boy is peeling the skin of banana? In this picture, the boy is peeling the skin of banana. Means after this action, compulsorily he has to do this action. Means for this action, I will give 2 number step. So, 2 number will be given for this picture. Now, after this, the boy will eat the banana. So, this picture shows that he is eating banana. So, this is 3 number step. After that, the boy is keeping the throwing the skin in the garbage box or dustbin. So, it is the last step. So, 4 number. Like this, the numbering of actions or pictures stepwise serially is called seriation. We will take one more example of making the pot. So, do you know potter makes pots? So, for making pot, what will be the first step? The potter has to mix the soil or the mud with water and make a lump like this. So, this will be 1 number action. Yes, after making the lump, potter will keep the lump on the wheel and with using his hands and legs, he will rotate the wheel and gives shape to the pot. So, this is 2 number action. So, I will give 2 number to this picture. Now, after giving shape, he dries the pot and he will decorate the pot with attractive colors, and now this pot is ready for sale. So, this is the last step. I will keep 3 number for this picture. So, like this, stepwise, sequence wise, we have to give numbers to the pictures. Here, if we want to write letters to someone, to our relatives or friends, what will be the first step? First we need a sheet of paper and then we start writing. So, here is 1 number action. Okay. After writing letter, we have to put it in a postal cover. So, this is 2 number step. See here, letter is written and he is putting it in the post envelope. Okay. Then after that, we have to write the address and stick a postal stamp. Right. So, this is 3 number step. And after 3 number, we have to put the letter in the post box. So, this is the last step. Then only the letter will get delivered. So, like this, stepwise, I have numbered the pictures according to seriation. Okay. Now, we have cards. Children can easily relate this. So, this is the daily routine of children. So, children, early in the morning, what do you do among the 4 pictures? Which pictures tells the first action? So, first you wake up from the bed, right? So, this is 1 number action. After waking up, you will brush your teeth. That is compulsory. So, this is 2 number picture. And then after brushing, you take a bath. So, this is 3 number action, and after taking bath, you will wear your clothes or uniform and get ready for the school. This is 4 number. So, this is your daily routine. Can you do this in reverse? Means after getting up, you will wear your uniform and then you will take bath and then you will brush your teeth. No, it can't be done in a reverse order. So, there is stepwise action for every work. Now, next example is germination of seeds. So, in the three pictures, according to the size of the plant, we can make out where the size of the plant is small, means a small sapling is there, just it is sprouted out from the seed. So, that will be the 1 number picture, and then the plant with the help of sunlight and water, it will slowly grow into height. So, that will be the 2 number action, and after some days the plant will give flowers. So, this is the 3 number step. Now, next is blowing a balloon. If we want to blow a balloon, first we have to take a balloon. So, this is first step. Take a balloon in your hand and then you have to blow air in the balloon with your mouth. That is 2 number step. And if the air is more, if more air is blown into the balloon will burst out. So, this is bursting out of balloon, 3 number step. So, do you know the growing stages of human beings? So, first, when we were born, how we will be looking? We will be like this, like babies. We all were infants when we were born. So, this is 1 number. So, baby after few years will grow into a boy or a girl according to the gender. So, this is 2 number step. Baby grows into a boy or a girl. And after many years, the boy or girl will grow into a man or a woman. So, your father looks like this and now you look like this, and you were a baby when you were born. Okay. So, these are the growing stages of human beings. We have numbered it according to seriation. So, parents, you can show any examples at home. Means brushing the teeth also you can tell them. Take the brush, then apply the paste is second step. Then gargle your mouth is third step. So, like this you can give so many examples. Coloring also you can give. Take the picture, then crayon and then color it nicely. So, 3-step action also you can give it as example of seriation. That's all about seriation, children. Bye-bye.